Hi, I'm Gianquino Navas, and I'm part of the Paxton Patterson Program here at Woodland Hills Academy Humanities Magnet. Honestly, it's one of the best classes I've taken. We get to explore 15 different career stations, like structural engineering, design and marketing, culinary arts, nursing, veterinary science, and so much more. What's great about Paxton Patterson is that every day is different. One day you could be building a bridge in structural engineering, and the next you're drawing blood from a prosthetic arm in nursing. At first I made a mess and got fake blood everywhere, but after a few tries, I nailed it. You actually get to do the work using the same tools people in these careers use. It's that hands-on learning that makes everything stick. We work together a lot too. Whether it's solving problems in structural engineering or figuring out the right way to check a dog's pulse in veterinary science, teamwork is huge. You learn how to communicate, stay patient, and support each other. The best part? It's fun. We're moving, we're building, we're solving real-world problems, and that's helped me figure out what I might want to do in the future. Now I'm really interested in nursing, and I never thought that would happen. This program reminds me that anyone can have a career in whatever they want if they work for it. It's about breaking down stereotypes and proving that we can all succeed no matter who we are. This class has taught me more than just career skills. It's shown me how these careers can make an impact on our communities and help grow equality and justice. No matter what career path I choose, I'll take these lessons with me. This is Woodland Hills Academy Humanities Magnet's Paxton Patterson Program, and it's given me the confidence to pursue any career I'm passionate about.